Let's be honest. The calendar used to run your life. Work told you when to show up, when to leave, when to eat, when to think, when to rest. You didn't have to create the structure. It was handed to you. But now, the scaffolding is gone, and for a lot of people, that's where the unraveling begins. They think they're just tired or lazy or not motivated. But the simple truth is, they're drifting because they were never taught how to build a day around who they really are. That's what we're doing here. No planner, no productivity hack, no 5 a.m. miracle morning routine. Just one question. What would your ideal day look like if you actually felt like you? Not what would look impressive on social media, not what your financial advisor says is responsible, not what your old self would do, but what your current, evolving, wiser self needs to feel lit up, useful, and free. That's what this video is about. So here's the truth. A good retirement day isn't busy, it's aligned. It has room for purpose, yes, but also for rest, for joy, for silliness, and for something unexpected. Most people never design it. They just fill it, or worse, they wait for something to click. But it doesn't click. It gets built. That's why I created this, a simple tool, just one page, called Your Design Your Ideal Day. It walks you through how to build a daily rhythm that reflects who you are now and who you're becoming. You'll explore what energizes you, what aligns you with your purpose midday, how to wind down with meaning, and how to close your day with reflection, peace, and intention. It even includes a section before you go to sleep, because how you end the day shapes how you start tomorrow. If you want a copy, type the word day in the comments below, and I'll send it to you directly. No strings, no sales pitch, just a genuine invitation to take your time back. Because here's what I believe. Your calendar should be a reflection of your values, not a graveyard of obligations. If you design one day that feels honest, vibrant, and aligned, you can design a life that you love living, one day at a time. So write the word day in the comments below, and I'll personally DM this to you. My name is John Hagerman. I'm the founder of Retirement Uprising, and we're not here to fade out quietly. We're here to reclaim our days and then our lives. So subscribe, like what you see here, watch the rest of the series, and start building a rhythm that's finally yours.